In this video, we are on a journey to explore the most famous and beautiful gardens, each representing a unique marriage of human creativity and the wonders of the natural world. Keukenhof Gardens in the Netherlands is a masterpiece that blooms with vibrant colors and fragrances, making it the epitome of springtime enchantment. Spread across 32 hectares, Keukenhof is renowned as the Garden of Europe, exhibiting a stunning array of tulips, daffodils, hyacinths, and other bold flowers. The meticulously landscaped gardens feature winding paths, serene ponds, and themed flower displays that create a kaleidoscopic of hues. Open only during the spring season, Keukenhof attracts visitors from around the world to witness the breathtaking beauty of millions of blooming flowers. Luxembourg Gardens, Paris. The Luxembourg Gardens, Jardin du Luxembourg, is a tranquil refuge that encapsulates the city's charm. Spread across 23 hectares, this early 17th century garden offers a perfect blend of formal French and English landscaping. Visitors can stroll along tree-lined pathways, admire the beautifully manicured lawns, and discover statues and fountains that adorn the grounds. The Medici Fountain and the Luxembourg Palace add a touch of regality to the environment. With its flower beds, orchards, and peaceful atmosphere, Luxembourg Gardens provides a serene escape for Parisians and tourists alike. Gardens by the Bay, Singapore. Gardens by the Bay is a breathtaking blend of nature and cutting-edge technology. Spanning 250 acres, it exhibits iconic super trees that light up the skyline, creating a mesmerizing spectacle every evening. The flower dome transports visitors to diverse floral landscapes, while the cloud forest offers a misty journey through a mountainous terrain with a cascading waterfall. This urban oasis exemplifies Singapore's commitment to sustainability and environmental conservation. With its stunning landscapes, innovative architecture, and a commitment to biodiversity, Gardens by the Bay is a must-visit destination. Yoyogi Park, Tokyo, Japan. In the heart of Tokyo, Japan is a sprawling urban oasis that blends nature with vibrant city life. Spanning 134 acres, this park offers a refreshing escape from the bustling metropolis. Cherry blossoms in spring, vibrant foliage in autumn, and serene ponds year-round make Yoyogi Park a retreat for nature lovers. The expansive lawns are dotted with picnickers, joggers, and cultural events, creating a dynamic and inclusive atmosphere. Adjacent to the iconic Meiji Shrine, the park is not only a recreational space, but also a cultural hub. Yoyogi Park stands as a testament to Tokyo's harmonious coexistence of modernity and nature, inviting locals and visitors to relax amid its green embrace. Central Park, New York. Central Park, an iconic urban oasis in Manhattan since 1858, spans 843 acres, providing a serene flight amidst New York City's hustle. Diverse landscapes, meadows, woodlands, and water bodies offer recreational activities from strolls to sports. Cultural landmarks like the Central Park Zoo and Bethesda Terrace, along with scenic spots like Bow Bridge, contribute to its significance. Accessible by foot, bike, or public transport, it's a beloved destination for locals and tourists alike. Central Park harmoniously blends nature and culture, shaping New York's landscape and offering a cherished sanctuary from the city's pace. Tivoli Gardens in Copenhagen, Denmark, is a magical blend of amusement, history, and botanical wonders. Founded in 1843, it stands as one of the world's oldest amusement parks. Beyond thrilling rides and captivating entertainment, Tivoli boasts meticulously landscaped gardens that add to its appeal. Striking a balance between greenery and amusement, the park's scenic beauty enhances the overall experience. Visitors can walk through flower-lined paths, discover charming fountains, and enjoy the seasonal floral displays. Tivoli Gardens, with its rich history, continues to be a beloved destination, offering a unique and delightful escape in the heart of Copenhagen. Hyde Park, London. Hyde Park is a verdant oasis that impeccably blends natural magnificence with historical charm. Spanning 350 acres, this iconic park invites visitors to escape the urban hustle and immerse themselves in serene landscapes. From the serene Serpentine Lake to the lush Kensington Gardens, Hyde Park offers a picturesque retreat. The park hosts a multitude of activities, including boating, cycling, and strolling along its tree-lined avenues. Monuments like the Princess Diana Memorial Fountain and the captivating Serpentine Galleries add cultural appeal. Hyde Park stands as a testament to London's commitment to preserving green spaces, providing a tranquil haven for both locals and tourists amidst the vibrant city life. Stanley Park, a gem in Vancouver, Canada, is a luxuriant haven blending natural beauty with urban sophistication. Encompassing over 1,000 acres, the park unfolds along the city's coastline, providing a captivating haven. Its diverse landscapes include dense forests, scenic seawalls, and serene lakes, offering a profusion of outdoor activities. The iconic seawall invites leisurely walks or bike rides with panoramic views of the city and mountains. Totem poles at Brockton Point showcase Indigenous art and culture. Vancouver Aquarium and beautifully landscaped gardens augment the park's allure. Stanley Park is a cherished retreat for locals and a must-visit destination for tourists. Parc Guell in Barcelona, a testament to Antoni Gaudi's artistic brilliance, is a whimsical masterpiece perched on Carmel Hill. Designed between 1900 and 1914, this public park fascinates with vibrant ceramic mosaics, undulating sculptures, and organic forms that beautifully blend with nature. The iconic lizard sculpture, El Drac, and the colourful serpentine bench are highlights of Gaudi's characteristic style. Offering panoramic views of Barcelona and the Mediterranean Sea, Parc Guell invites visitors into a fantastic world of imaginative design. Its playful charm, vibrant colours, and architectural marvels make it a must-visit destination for the nature-loving tourists. Disneyland and Disney World, California and Florida. The magical world of Disneyland and Disney World, where dreams come to life. Immerse yourself in a land of enchantment, from the thrilling rides that propel you into other worlds to the fanciful characters that greet you around every corner. Whether you're strolling down Main Street, USA, or exploring the galaxy in Tomorrowland, every moment is a treasured trove of memories. Don't forget to catch the dazzling parades and spectacular fireworks that light up the night sky. If you enjoyed this video, please give it thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more videos like this, be sure to hit the subscribe button and don't forget to click the notification bell. Your support is greatly appreciated.